Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step how you can make money using Chamet live streaming app. Okay, so I'm going to start by registering new account here. Though I've already have account here, but I want to do this tutorial to show you how to register here in order for you not to make mistake when register on Chamet live. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, start Google phone number. If I click more now, it's going to bring out email. Note that if you want to make money here, you need to click on your Google or your phone number or your email. But if you don't want to make money, maybe you just want to log in on the app, interact with people, I can advise you to go with start. Okay, if you really want to make money, I would advise you to go with this three option, either your Google or your phone number or your email, so that you will not lose your account. Because the reason why I'm saying this is because one of my girl wanted to register here on Chamet, and she actually click on start. She didn't even use any Google or your phone number to protect her account. All she do is just click on start and go ahead and start using it without her protecting her account. Do you know that she later changed phone and she already has $20 there? You can't be able to withdraw it. But if you use your Google account too, you can actually get your account back. If you use your Google or your phone number, you can actually get your account back. This is the reason why I advise you this before I start this video. Okay, as you can see, once you click on it, going to ask you to choose your gender, which I've already did. Okay, so now as you can see, random chat, okay, which I'm going to explain to you later how you can actually do it in order for you to start matching with people all over the world. Let me just edit my profile. Okay, so now once you click on your profile, make sure you edit your profile professionally. Put a nice picture on your profile. Okay, as you can see, make sure when adding your gender, make sure you cross check it very well before submitting it. Okay, as you can see, my own is female. Okay, I think I will leave this name because this is actually another account I'm creating. This is the second account I'm creating here. Okay, so as you can see, my location and everything. So now let me just click on tag. You see, these tags is very important. So as you can see, personality, emotion, you can select any one, profession, you can select anything you want to select. Okay, so let me just go ahead and select this one. Then I will go and select football. Okay, so once you select it, you're going to go ahead and click. It's going to appear here already, as you can see, emotional service, personal, and everything. So cosmetics, my Google account is already linked there, and automatically it's going to show you your location already. Okay, so as you can see, people are actually doing tax here, live streaming and party. Note that men can actually join this, and this is how men end here. If you're a man, listen to me. For those of you that came to me, why can't you tell me that I have to buy coins? Why can't you tell me? Please listen. If you're men and you want to earn here, for women you can go live streaming, receive random calls from men and make money. But for men, you need to open a party, or you can go to other people's party, stay there, you guys will play game together, gist, and you're going to be making money as a man. And remember, before you can play this game, you need coins. For those of you that came to me that why can't you tell me that to buy coins before earning? Note that if you want to play game or send lucky gift, you need to buy coins. Even if you're a lady and you want to open your party, it's for both sides. Lady can actually open party, as you can see. Ladies actually open party, play games, gift themselves, and go. Men can actually do that, but mostly it's for men. Ladies is for video calling. They also play game. Okay, so as you can see, this is Nigeria panel. They are gifting themselves playing games here, as you can see. Note that make sure you allow your location so that you can actually bring Nigeria people on your account. Because if it does not allow your location on your settings, you might not be able to get Nigeria panel. And once you does not get Nigeria panel, or you does not get your country, maybe you're from Philippines, does not get your country air panel, you're not going to be comfortable, because it's actually I'm actually doing live streaming and it hurts me when I'm on app and I does not see my Nigeria people. I rather delete the app. This is my honest truth, okay? So now, as you can see, people from Pakistan, people from UK. Let me just show you something you need to understand here. As you can see, all we are seeing here, people from Philippines, people from Bangladesh, and a lot of countries are here. But they communicate. You see, they communicate with their language. Location matters a lot. Make sure you allow your location on your app. Any app you are using, make sure you allow your location so that you know delete the app. This app is okay. It's okay. You can make friends, you can make money, like anything you want, this app have it. But if you know how you can actually use it very well, you're going to get a lot of benefit from this Chamet life. Okay, as you can see on my screen, let me just go there and show you what you need to do. You can see mostly people that from Philippines and America, they are here. Okay, so make sure you allow your location. Location is very, very important so that you not delete this amazing. As you can see, everybody with their countries, with their languages and everything. Okay, so now as you can see, random call keep on coming to my when I'm recording this video. Actually, if you're a lady, you see all these people that is on party like that, you can actually receive call if you're a girl and you can sit on party and keep on receiving call from random people on Chamet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can able to withdraw your money. This is actually the base they gave me now I log in. So now, for those of you saying that you don't see your payment option anymore, let me show you what you need to do in order for you to see your payment option. Okay, as you can, this is actually the diamond side. Okay, as you can see, invite friend and make money. Invite friends to get diamond. Once I click on this thing now, I'm coming. Once I click on this beans now, it's going to bring me here. As you can see, I have earned 1,000 beans. Note that before you can actually see your withdraw option in this update, you need to have 100,000 beans. That is $10. Once it's $10, you will see your withdraw option come up, and you can withdraw with your ePay. ePay is supported ePay. That is where you can withdraw your money. But maybe you are feeling that I don't see my withdraw option. Don't worry. Once you reach your withdrawal threshold, you're going to be seeing your ePay, how you can actually blind your payment method and withdraw your money. Okay, so as you can see, people from US, worldwide is available. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you are my returning subscribers, I love you all so much, so much. If you are just joining, you are highly welcome, and see you on my next